A very good day to all my subscribers. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Hunter Academy Private Limited. So for traders who have engaged in pound yen, congratulations, you have already attained a risk-free trade. And of course, that is when I receive some of the message from my subscriber. They are pretty happy with that. And I spotted New Zealand dollar as another currency, potentially for another long-term trade. So right now we are at a daily chart for New Zealand dollar. Okay, so this movement itself is a bit sideways. If we zoom out a bit, the market having a bullish turn over here. Okay, all right. So by breaking below, that means if the market this candle go all the way down below this shadow over here and chose to close below this shadow over here, 6814, market may reverse into a bearish movement itself. All right, so if traders are just like me looking for a buying opportunity, because this is the line that differentiate whether is it a bullish or bearish period on a daily time frame. You let's say you put your stop loss at 6800, and let's say you got stop out. That would also mean that market has changed its direction. To me, it's a pretty value for money in a way, because you get stop out because on a higher time frame, market has really changed its direction. And let us move down the time frame, and what do we see? Market has retest, went higher. Went to 1 hour time frame. What do I see? Market has retest and it went higher. So what am I looking for? I am in fact looking for a buying opportunity over here. Alright, so it is always good for you to know what is the big picture you are looking at to engage your trade. I know is while I'm recording the video, market is moving. Perhaps when you reach the video, by the time it reach you, market has already hit this price. But look at my engagement time frame. I'm looking at 1 hour chart over here. So you still need the candle to have indecision candle that looks something like this, appear at my entry price or better entry price below. Personal preference 6832 definitely is better. Alright, and you will need the candle to went back up and close above the indecision candle. So yep, this is the called an example for you. It should look something like this: a bearish indecision candle, market close back up higher, or at least 60% of this bearish move. Okay, it have to happen over here or any of the region below in this range before I look for a long opportunity. Alright, so a preferred price to long will be this area over here. Okay, so definitely enough time to even engage by the time this video has reached you. Alright, all good. So let us plot our profit level, which is pretty obvious over here. This will be my target 1. Of course, if you're conservative, let's aim for where the candle body are over here. 6934 and 6934 it will be. Okay, target 2 go to 7100. Yep, you didn't hear that wrongly. The analysis was done across time frame. So this is on definitely a daily time frame that I'm looking at for my take profit level. Okay. Previous support turn resistant. So this is the first region, the other region I'm looking at. And of course, I think it's a pretty good reward is the risk ratio profile. Traders, you can choose to exit at the price. I think it's pretty good. But if you are a position trader, you can shoot for 7274 as your final take profit level. Alright, 7274 will be somewhere over here, this price over here. Okay, give you around 400 pips of profit. Alright, I'll have a bit of mix and match, and of course the trade ideas I shared. Personally, I do believe that it will give personally I do see that it is a profitable trade before I even think of sharing it with you. But of course, please do your own analysis. Don't just follow blindly because I said so. It should be a video that guide you to think how to develop your own trade. Okay, look at the risk. I pretty much love the risk because of the time frame issue. But you know it is below 6816. I think my settings issue. Okay, stop loss is at 6800. Alright, so of course if you are very strict in trading, which is a good thing, let's say on a 1 hour chart, market break below 6816, and let's say somehow you have already engaged it, you did not wait for any confirmation, okay, you just engage it blindly, you realize that market closed below 6816, let's say is 6810, it closed below it, break below and close below, definitely you can intervene and close the trade in advance. And of course after you do that, don't look back and say, oh, I should have done that, I should have do this. So you should be planning your trade in multiple scenario before the trade has even taken off. Alright, so without me saying it, you should know that this trade itself is the reward is to risk ratio is pretty good. So do your own analysis. Alright, and till then, I'll see you on the next video. My name is Rain, founder of Forex Henry Academy Private Limited. If you love video like this, subscribe to us. $100 a month. And of each trade ideas, if there's any changes in our decision, we'll update in our support group to our subscriber. That's all I have for you today. Good luck in your trading, plan your trade, and trade your plan. Till then, I'll see you on the next video.